happening, guys? Morning. FlexL's. I've got me a cup of coconut water, which I'm gonna enjoy. We're keeping it real simple. We did our iron marathon yesterday, so breakfast, 2 eggs. Gonna put a little milk in it to stretch it, so it feels like I had 3 or 4 eggs. Don't ask me why. I feel 2 eggs is just enough. I'm a big guy, don't need to eat too much. And I'm gonna have some wholemeal bread. So I'm gonna whip that up, and then I'm not sure what we're training today, but we've got to get on it. So let's see. Oh, lovely. Got my coconut water. Got my backup. Always got a green tea. I don't know. Go do the research, but green tea helps burn fat. Long story short. Alright guys, cooking up breakfast. I'll see you in the gym. Kitchen is where the abs are made, and the gym is where we break down the muscles. Peace. Okay, we did back not too long ago. We've done a chest, we've done the abs. So I think it's our dreaded legs day. So we're gonna go ahead, figure out what we're gonna do for legs. We better eat up, we're gonna need to eat a whole horse if we're gonna train legs. So I think we're gonna do one movement for legs, which is probably gonna be front squats. I've been working on that recently, and then we're gonna go on to unilateral movement, training each leg individually. So